Hey guys, Wally here with Columbia Dent Company. I just wanted to do a quick little video here explaining a little bit about the PDR light. This is the thing we use for a reflection source, so we know where we need to push up and where we need to knock down when we're doing paintless dent repair. So let's check out, we have a couple different lights set up here, and of course there's many different styles and shapes of lights. We have big lights that we use for when we're repairing hail, and what I'm going to show you today are the mini lights that I use for mobile work and for just small damage that we don't need to bust out our big lights for. So let's check it out. All right, so here we have this is an Elimadent light, runs off of a Milwaukee battery. This style just has a regular suction cup that you pump up. And then over here we have another Elimadent. This lens just works better for outside, and so that's why I have this lens on there, so you can see a little more detail when you're working outside. All right, so this one has an automatic suction cup on it, so as it feels like it's losing suction, it may just suck itself back down. Don't have to worry about it falling off. This one, you do have to keep an eye on it, because if it starts to lose suction, it could fall off. So let's turn them on. So there's that one. These are LED lights, and we have a couple different settings here. We have the cool and the warm setting, and we can dim these. It's kind of hard to see with on the camera here. And then using this, you can see how you can see the reflection on the panel. And then for this one over here, it's a cool green color, and it does have the different deals. It does dim just the same. Let's use it to look at this dent on this TRX. See how that really shows up, the definition there, compared to even with that light off, you can see quite a bit. Let's look at it without. So you can see how this gives us a lot more definition on what we're doing here. So there you go. That's just a quick little little demonstration of how our paintless dent repair lights work and how we use them in our repairs when we're doing the paintless dent repair method. So if you have any more questions or anything, just let me know. Wally with Columbia Dent Company.